In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create links from texts on card.co. Whether you're a seasoned web designer or a beginner exploring card.co for the first time, understanding how to include links in your text elements can significantly enhance the functionality and interactivity of your site. Today I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you have all the tools you need to make your content more dynamic and user-friendly. First, let's open your card editor. If you're not familiar with it, this is the interface where you'll be doing all your site customizations, and it's pretty intuitive. Now, if you don't already have a text element in your design, you'll want to go ahead and click the plus symbol, usually found at the top of your editor. From there, select text to add a new element to your page. This text element is what you'll use to write your content directly onto your card site. If you already have a text element present and are looking to modify it, simply click on the existing text to edit. This way you won't need to add a new layer, keeping your layout neat and organized. Once you are inside the text element, the magic begins. To create a link, you'll wrap the text that you want to turn into a link within square brackets. Immediately following this text, in parentheses, you will include the URL you want to link to. For example, if you want to create a link that says click here, you would wrap here in square brackets and immediately follow it with the URL in parentheses, just like this. Here, https example.com. As we continue, there are a few essential points to keep in mind. You won't be able to customize the size, color, alignment, or other stylistic aspects of the linked text when using this method. If customization of the hyperlink's appearance is a priority, consider using a link element, which provides more flexibility. Moreover, Card allows you to incorporate various types of links within the parentheses. For example, using mailtoexample@gmail.com can open an email client with a new message ready to go, or tell 000551234 can prompt a phone call. Finally, by default, your links will open in the same tab when clicked. If you prefer the link to open in a new tab, it's simple to do. Just add @blank at the end of your URL in the parentheses. For instance, the format would look like this: https www.example.com/blank. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to effectively add hyperlinks to your card.co site, making your pages much more engaging. Happy designing, and feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a refresher.